Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. The main approach that I want to take is just kind of a generalized question that I got is, hey Clay, how can I measure just the overall health of the current move? What do I mean by the move? Well, from where it bottomed out here, down around 14 cents to what it's been, going through the past few days. So this right here being defined as the move. So what is a very simplistic, a very easy way to measure the health of that? And that's where it all revolves around the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like this. Maybe you're thinking, hey, that looks like a trend line. Yeah, I would say that's more than logical. In fact, I like to call moving averages trend lines for lazy people. If you don't feel like drawing a trend line, well, the moving average will quote-unquote draw it for you. And going back to how do you measure the health of the move? Well, simply put, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health. No questions asked. And it really is as simple as that, because when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price have to do over time in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself needs to keep on increasing. And by definition, that is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So again, purple line, very straightforward way to measure, the general quote-unquote drift of the price. And as long as the price is drifting upwards, the bulls are in full health. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? As things stand right now, all about 20 cents, and I think that's right where the price got rejected from today. So yeah, that makes perfect sense. Why do I say it makes perfect sense? Well, if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see a whole bunch of price congestion right up there around the 20-cent mark. You fast forward to today, and that's where the price did get rejected from. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's impossible to break through 20 cents. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up around that area when you consider, that in the past, the price has also done that too. So 20 cents, certainly public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, no doubt about it, very nice past several days and a nice day today. So we'll see how the bulls close out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.